an image bumper. So this is these are images. You could use an alpha, you know, on these images, or so. I have another image bumper here, and that has an alpha on it. It has nothing to do with this alpha, so I'll just put that in normal. So you can see that it's not a square image anymore, or rather square images. So it's this file right here, and it's basically just a bunch of you know, lots of mixing. So that's basically what that image bumper is doing. You should be a bit careful if this line here is smudgy, because that could make this line right here very blurry and not that good looking. A somewhat workaround to that is having a high resolution image, but so that helps for these guys right here. So right now we kind of have this shadow effect right there. If this was more high res, that wouldn't be that apparent. But if you have blurred, transparent colors like this, then it's not going to look good. You're going to have what's going to happen is that, come on. What's going to happen is that it will kind of like make a shadow beneath. So let's see if I can show you that. So yeah, it will look like that if you have a blurred color. And save that as transparent PNG. So in order to save transparent PNG, what you do is you save it in 16-bit. Just make sure you do that. Not 8-bit, but 16-bit. So this is 16-bit PNG. Anything else? No, not that much. I mean, it's a bit tricky to adjust these settings. I mean, but just test it. That's really the way to go about it. So, yeah. This is awful, but let's keep like this and go like save, replace, yes, F6, reload. So you could just pretend that this is, you know, a rocky ground texture, and then you could mix a lot of these images using DPont's excellent image bumper. So I just wanted to test run that, and you know, why not show it at the same time. So I think that's about it. Yeah, you got projections here, but I think you will stick to planar and on the Y. It's, yeah, it doesn't really work for UV mapped stuff all that great. So you could also use this one, normal vary, blending type, or inversed. I kind of like this one. You could of course also add an alpha on top of this to make it not appear in certain areas. But as for the blending, it's kind of like tricky because there's a limit to how well this will blend, as you can see here. So. Yeah, by the way, here's the vary mode. Light and hue, saturation, luminosity, HSV. So you do have some options, but yeah, there's a limit to how much you can tweak the blend between the different when they overlap. That said, a very neat plugin by DPont.